Listening to someone who has already retired is one of the finest methods to learn about retirement. What key blunders can you avoid? And what actions can you take right now to ensure you accomplish your retirement goals? Will retirement be as wonderful as it is portrayed? You might be shocked by this retirement advice. Pay close attention to the final point because failing to do so may make it nearly impossible to experience a happy retirement. Welcome to Cashflow Canvas, where we teach lessons about investment and money-saving techniques. If you want to make your financial future better, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. Make a plan for your savings. One of the most prevalent errors is not directing money to savings on a regular basis. "I'll save when I have a little extra" is a common mindset. In actuality, money should be saved on a regular basis, every week, bi-weekly, or monthly. A widespread fallacy, and one that discourages many from starting to save, is that you must save a large sum of money. It does not have to be a huge percentage of your income. Saving 10% of your pay on a regular basis is sometimes all that is required. It is always possible to increase it over time. Even if you can only save 5% of your salary, that's fine because increases can be made later. Many retirees regret not establishing a savings strategy early in their careers. Don't retire as soon as you can. Most people attempting to achieve financial independence make it their primary goal to retire as soon as possible. It appears that the ultimate goal is to lay around all day with few obligations and no need to go to work. Many retirees return to work for reasons other than financial necessity. For a variety of reasons, retiring early can be tedious. There will be numerous leisure alternatives during retirement, but going to the park, meeting with your reading club, and even traveling will get old after a few months. Also, keep in mind that the majority of your friends and relatives may still be working. Will you ever get tired of retirement? Perhaps not, but many retirees find it tedious. Consider staying at a job that you enjoy. Allowing your money to grow for a bit longer will also benefit you financially. A few more years on the job can make a significant impact on your retirement budget. Working part-time is another wonderful option that will allow you to enjoy the best of both worlds, retirement and work. Concentrate on increasing your wealth. Saving a portion of your money should be a top concern, but you should go a step beyond. Instead of focusing solely on saving money, consider how you may invest it so that it grows. When you have a significant amount of money saved up, continued wealth building will be determined by the returns you can get rather than how much you can save. A $1 million nest egg, for example, could increase at a rate of $100,000 per year in the S&P 500. Probably $100,000 is far more than you could save from your paycheck. Choose the finest investments based on how much work you're willing to put in, as well as your risk tolerance and time horizon. Don't underestimate the significance of selecting investments that are most aligned with your objectives. Recognize that retiring will not make you happy. If you're in a toxic job and can't wait to get out, retiring may be a welcome respite. Retirement may address some of your difficulties, but it will not change your overall level of contentment. A widespread fallacy is that once you retire, you'll be a lot happy and able to enjoy life on your own schedule. The freedom that retirement can bring can undoubtedly provide a measure of enjoyment because you will no longer feel obligated to go to work. However, other challenges can occur during retirement, such as finding ways to occupy your days and achieve a sense of fulfillment. Essentially, you're exchanging worker concerns for retiree concerns. They might not be as important, but they're still worth considering. Don't regard retirement as the ultimate goal that will bring you ultimate happiness. Instead, set realistic goals to make it simpler to adjust to a more relaxed lifestyle. Be aware that your life will be drastically altered. It's easy to underestimate how much of our lives revolve around work, and not always in a negative way. Retirees frequently experience loneliness, especially if they spend most of their working lives in a team environment. You may take for granted the days of simply conversing with your coworkers and miss those interactions after retirement. You can still have fun catching up with friends and family for lunch or strolling around a golf course, but nothing beats the intimacy of a casual coworker's friendship. Furthermore, when you retire early, it can be difficult to connect with others. Many people your age have lives that are very different from yours, and it can be difficult to find common ground. Their free time may be spent running errands and doing housework, leaving little time for recreation. Reduce the size of your home. This may not seem like a big concern, but housing is the average household's largest expense, and its cost can have a significant influence on your budget. Housing accounts for almost one-third of all consumer spending. Living in a more cost-effective home or house hacking can significantly reduce or even eliminate this price. It is much easier to travel when a lower portion of your salary is spent on a mortgage, taxes, upkeep, utilities, and so on. According to Bank of America, the average total monthly cost for housing is $1,799 USD. That is the average price for a home. Consider someone who wants to keep up with the Joneses and buy a bigger and better property, effectively doubling their monthly housing expense. You may have a finer property with better exterior appeal, but will paying $3,418 per month truly make you twice as happy? When you're sensible with these main spending categories, you'll be amazed how little money you actually need. Recognize that your retirement will be unique. A normal retirement may seem like shrinking your home, cutting back on your spending, and watching every penny, but this does not have to be the case. Everyone's definition of retirement, particularly early retirement, is different. Some people may elect to sell most of their possessions and live full-time in an RV. Others may choose to spend their time overseas, while others may continue to work on a smaller scale. Some people want retirement to be a time when they can spend as much money as they want without worrying about breaking the bank. The benefit of being able to retire is that you can design it precisely how you want it and tweak it as you learn and your preferences change. Do you want to go back to work? You are capable of doing so. Want to travel for a few years before settling down in one place? That is also an option. Keep in mind that, while you may believe you know exactly how your retirement will appear, you will most likely want to make changes along the road, and it may end up looking nothing like you planned. Make an investment in your health. It's easy to get caught up in working long hours, worrying about your job, and putting your health on the back burner, but money cannot exist without good health. Taking care of your health is possibly the most important thing you can do to enjoy your retirement. Consider a moment when you were sick. You probably only wanted to get better and nothing else seemed to matter. If you are not in good health, retirement will be difficult to enjoy. Poor health might limit your capacity to do and enjoy daily activities and pastimes, as well as necessitate frequent doctor's visits, appointments, drugs, and other unappealing activities. With such things in the way, it's much more difficult to enjoy traveling, relaxing, and spending time with individuals who are important to you. Furthermore, poor health can derail your financial plans. Make your health a priority throughout your life so that you may accomplish the things you enjoy later in life. This involves regular exercise, good nutrition, and avoiding bad habits. While every retirement journey is different, it can be good to seek guidance from those who have gone before. Keeping these suggestions in mind will assist you to make the most of your retirement and time preceding it. As we conclude, I'd like to thank you for watching. I hope you found value in this video and learned something new, and I look forward to seeing you in our future videos. I would deeply value it if you could like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support will help us to create more valuable content, and we can work together to secure your financial future. What are the key takeaways from this video that you can share in the comment section?